Welcome aboard, folks! In this episode of Masterminds and Maintenance, we're about to embark on a journey of discovery into the world of maintenance and reliability. I'm your host, Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and I'll be your guide as we explore the ins and outs of this fascinating industry. Today's special guest is Lucas Marino, a lifecycle engineer at Amentum, owner of East Partnership and Marino Consulting Services, and former branch chief for the U.S. Coast Guard. From his unique perspective, we'll gain insights into the challenges of maintaining complex machinery in both stable and moving environments, and learn the importance of operational flexibility and robust communication lines in our field. So, let's get started. Lucas shares his journey into the world of maintenance and reliability, starting from his upbringing in a family of mechanics and electricians and his 21 years of service in the U.S. Coast Guard. He discusses the unique challenges of maintaining complex machinery in both stable and moving environments, like a ship, and how safety measures and procedures differ in these settings. One of the key takeaways from Lucas's experience is the importance of operational flexibility and robust communication lines in maintenance and reliability. In the military, assets are often flexed to perform more than they were designed to do, necessitating flexibility in the staff and planning. Lucas also highlights the importance of recognizing and rewarding both preventive and corrective maintenance efforts to maintain a balanced culture that values proactive and reactive responses. Lucas also shares his thoughts on Industry 4.0 and its implications for the maintenance and reliability world. He expresses excitement for the potential of technology to make jobs easier and more efficient, but also emphasizes the importance of investing in people to drive actions from data and insights. Lucas believes that the technology may advance faster than the world around it, creating a need for organizations to build up their ability to use and analyze the data effectively. As Lucas continues his journey in maintenance and reliability, he looks forward to launching new courses for the East Partnership and contributing to the advancement of model-based systems engineering and model-based product support. He encourages continuous learning and improvement in the industry and emphasizes the importance of investing in people, who he considers the greatest asset in the industry. That brings us to the end of this episode. We've learned about the importance of operational flexibility, robust communication lines, and investing in people in the maintenance and reliability industry. We hope you found this episode insightful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you want to learn more about UpKeep and our services, visit us at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep learning and improving.